What's up, guys? Ryan from the New York Beef Council. You know me as the man with the pan, and today I'm here with
Kelly Springer. I'm a registered dietitian and the spokesperson for Apples from New York, as you can see right here.
Perfect. So we're doing a little commodity collaboration here, combining some beef and apple recipes. And today we're going to make corned beef with apple and onion sauté. And we've just got a corned beef cut right here. This is actually the flat half. It's a lean cut, tougher cut, but because it's tougher, it's going to be great for slow cooking. And we're going to put this in the oven for like 2.5 hours.
Yes, and we're mixing it. And I wish you could smell what I smell right.
Seriously,
It doesn't smell amazing. So we have garlic and we have onion. And these two, and adding these in, is actually adding in prebiotics. Now, what the heck are prebiotics?
No idea.
No idea. So prebiotics are actually the food that feeds the probiotics, the live cultures in our digestive system. Amazing, right?
So wouldn't the probiotics be called postbiotics then?
They could be, absolutely. So by starting with some garlic and onion, you really truly are starting to feed that system, and you're getting that taste and flavor. It's going to be delicious.
Awesome. So let's get started on this.
Yes.
So this is wicked easy. Saying wicked, you can tell from upstate New York. We've got 1 large onion just roughly chopped here. We've split it up here. 5 cloves of garlic roughly chopped. And then 1.5 cups of either cider or apple juice. We've got juice today. And then when you buy a corned beef brisket in the store, especially around this time of year, it's going to come with its own, as I'm spilling on your counter,
Perfect.
sorry, its own seasoning pack.
Yep.
We're going to sprinkle that over the top. It's going to go in the oven for 2.5 to 3.5 hours. And then we'll come back and make the apple and onion sauté.
It's going to be amazing. So great ingredients to start off with. Real ingredients. We love it. And let's get in the oven.
Sure. Let's dump all this stuff in.
Okay.
I think we're just going to surround it, kind of.
Okay.
Right? Around the sides, I think that's what it's called.
I'm going to use my hands.
Oh, man, your hands are going to smell like garlic for
I
days.
know. This is
we should have gotten you a spoon.
My Italian husband will love me.
Our prep person should have given us a spoon. Our producer behind the camera there. I think we're just going to dump that in.
Yum, we're going to add a little
It's just gonna
sweetness.
Braise. Yep. Awesome. And then do you want to do the honors with the seasoning packet?
Oh, yes.
There you go.
So also this apple juice is actually going to add in a vitamin C source added with the beef. We're actually going to be increasing the iron absorption.
Whoa.
Cool synergistic effect, right?
That's perfect, because if you know with beef, it's all about zinc, iron, and protein.
I know it. So having a little bit of that vitamin C is going to help the uptake.
Perfect. Let's get this in the oven.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we just took out our corned beef. That's resting over here. Fork tender, going to be delicious. And now we're going to make an apple onion sauté with it.
Yes, so we have our Gala apples and our Golden Delicious. I love the combination of the red and the green. It just looks pretty, right?
Always looks better.
And you're going to have that taste combination as well.
For sure. Let's get this on a pan.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, we just finished up our corned beef with apple onion sauté, and it smells fantastic.
Absolutely delicious. That thyme, that's what you were smelling,
Yes,
right?
definitely.
These herbs that are on here. So perfect combination of protein, fiber. Those apples are just delicious. Perfect combination here with that taste profile. And we did add in those apples last, so they're crisp, but they're tender.
Awesome. I literally can't wait to turn the camera off and dig into this.
know.
I can tell that this corned beef is nice and fork tender. We're just gonna dig in.
You definitely have to try this at home, so make sure to check out the recipes on
beefitswhatsfordinner.com.
Awesome. Good job.
Awesome.
Great.